going on, guys? And in today's video we are gonna make a police and criminal change team GUI. So first of all, we're gonna start off on our choosing team, and then if you click police, you're on the police team right here. And if you'll click criminal, you're now on the criminal team. Let's get straight into this awesome video. Alright, so as you heard in this video, we are gonna make like a team switch GUI thingy. So we'll start off with, in the starter GUI, I'll just add a screen GUI, and we can name the screen GUI team change. That's not how you spell change. Team change GUI. Alright. And now we can add a frame, and this frame, and in this frame we're gonna the size is gonna be 1, 0, 1, 0, and this is gonna fill up the whole screen. Also in another we can set the background transparency to 1, and also in another video I'll teach you guys how to make something similar to this. But if you click a button, both GUI team switching thing is going to show up. It would be like more organized. So I'll see you guys in that video tomorrow. So now these frames, we can add a text button, and you can customize this the way you want it. I'm just going to kind of get a little big. This looks nice. Let's kind of get it in the middle. And we can get the background color to like a nice cyan color. This looks like cyan. And then we can have text scaled. Down here, text scaled. And instead of source sans, I like to use legacy for this one. I'll do police. Nice. So we can now Control D, we can duplicate this and put it right here. And instead of police, we can do criminal. And then we can have the background color instead to be like an orange color. So criminal. Okay, now we can hide these GUIs. And we can go into model right here and add a spawn, and this spawn right here, we can duplicate this spawn and put it like right there, and we can get the colors of these to like, I don't know, I'm gonna get mine like cyan, not toothpaste. So while I find cyan, you guys find the one that you guys like. There we go, found cyan. You guys find the one that, and then this one can be like a bright orange, not brown, like that kind of color. And if you want, we can just like take the welds and decals away, just like boom, whoops, like boom, boom, take those away, and we'll just have the police side on here. Alright, and now we're gonna, since we have both the GUIs already, we're gonna go up here, back to the model, go to advanced right here, and then right here, click on these two gears, service, and we'll click on teams right there. Click on insert, and you see there's like a little teams thing under starter player right there. So in the teams, we can add a team. This team is going to be the choosing team. The choosing team. And the choosing team is going to be auto assignable, and then we don't want that. Choose another team. This team is going to be called police, and the team color is going to be cyan. Make sure you match the team color as whatever color right there. We can do Control duplicate, and we can name this criminal. Actually, we'll name it criminals, and then we can do instead of cyan, do the same exact kind of orange, like bright orange. And make sure these are not auto-assignable. Make sure the police and criminals team are not auto-assignable. So only this one, the choosing team, is. So now let's bring the GUIs back. And now we can, into this text button, we'll call this text button police BTN. BTN is short for button. And we can do criminal BTN right here, like that. So into the police button, we can add a script. And this script is going to be local p, not 9, p equals script dot parent 5 times. So I'll just make this 5 times. Whoops. This dot parent and then dot name. We'll have dot name. And after that, we can do script dot parent dot mouse button 1 click colon connect function inside of those brackets, and we can put open bracket close bracket, and then there we can put game dot players, and then we can put square brackets, put the P inside there, and we can put dot team color equals brick color dot new, open bracket close bracket. We'll have quotation marks, and put the color of your police team. Make sure it's the exact same color or the script will be messed up. So you put cyan. That's what I have. Cyan. Then I can put game dot workspace, open square brackets, p dot humanoid dot health equals to 0. Then we can put script dot parent dot enabled equals to false. And now what you gotta do is like copy the whole thing, and into the criminal button, add a script too, and you can paste this right here. And instead of cyan, do the color of your team. So I'm just gonna put bright orange because that's the color of my team. So now, if we play the game, as you see, we're on the choosing team right now. So we're on the choosing team because we're choosing our team. After that, we can go on either police or criminal. I'm just gonna go on police. And you don't have to name it criminals. Like you can really just name it like prisoner. I'll actually name the prisoner like I'll actually name criminals prisoners. Prisoner. We have prisoner stuff. And then we can have the criminal button, and we'll have the text just prisoner. So now that we have that, let's try this again. And see, we could be a police or a prisoner. So police will die, and then if you want to be a prisoner, we can be a prisoner. And that's all for today, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on post notification bells, and I'll see you in the next video. Also, I would like to say a shout out to Jackson Wilder. His YouTube channel name is Jackson Wilder. Make sure you go sub to him. His channel is in the link in the description, so go check that out. And I'll see you in the next video.